Welcome guys to Western Valley Models. Most of you have been asking me, where can I take my RC car? Definitely the drifting side of things. So, recently I have set up an RC drift club. It's local, it's just down the road. It starts at 7:45 and we meet here at the shop at 7:30 if you're interested. If you want to come and you haven't got a car and you have been looking around and they're very expensive and everything, if you want a drift car, we've got one here called the Banzai. The Banzai is £115. Check it out on the link below on our website. I'll be going drifting tonight because it's Wednesday today, and I'll be taking this Banzai with me, and I'll be up against these £300 to £500 drift cars, which you'll see later on. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't seen the YouTube channel or even on Facebook, please don't forget to come on YouTube and subscribe on the channel so that you don't miss out on any other videos to come. And also we've also got a Facebook page as well. Don't forget to like us and also keep an eye on any of the new items coming out through Western Valley Models. Once again guys, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you. Okay guys, well we're at the place now where the drift club is, and I'm going to show you now the Banzai. Okay, so here's the Banzai, what I showed you earlier. So we're going to open this up now. We're going to have a look inside the box. Okay guys, well here's the Banzai here. It's looking really nice. Check out that shell. This is the Banzai. It's brushed at the moment, and this is the handset in here. So this is what you get for £115. Okay, let's have a look inside the shell. And there she is. So you've got a 540 size brush motor there. You've got the ESC. You've got the receiver, the ESC. Then you've got your standard battery, which is a 7.2. But what I'll be using tonight is a LiPo, a 3000 7.4. Comes on there the drift tires. You need them nice and slick for this kind of surface. Okay, so in here as well you get your instructions. So yeah, so we're going to take you now and show you the specs of the batteries we've got on charge now. Okay guys, so there's a Charger CTC Duro Touch. The battery I'll be using tonight is a 4000 LiPo and also a 3000 LiPo I'll be using tonight. So yeah, so normally they last for about 30 minutes, constant use. Yeah, so this car's pretty good at the moment. It's drifting really well. Hi guys, welcome. We've just come back from drifting. We had a great time. This car has been smashed, crashed, and is still going strong. But yeah, if you would like to join us next Wednesday, we'll all meet here at the shop, and it starts at 7:45. So you're more than welcome to come along. If you do need a budget car, a drift car, look at the Banzais. There's a link down below with the website address. Have a look on there. And if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and like the Facebook page for Western Valley Models. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you soon.